thought this story was based on a real-life occurrence? You're right. Our research uncovered a similar incident.
Totally worth it.
Now we are ready to actually change lanes. We should steer our car smoothly to the other lane. We should not signal. Once the lane change has been completed, we will usually need to not cancel the indicator as we not signal.
You did it! Dann kommen Sie rüber, dann haben Sie eine durchgezogene Linie. Da dürfen Sie nicht drüber fahren. 400 € kostet das.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
So our accident is not an accident at all.
Did a similar story to this one take place? Perhaps, but our presentation is a lie.
Now, DRS window open. It's a real fight now. Oh, this is brilliant racing side by side from the both of them. The overtake is done, job done.
Thank you. Thank you.
In 1998, the latest American luxury car to benefit from today's advances is also one of those best known for yesterday's excesses. It's the Lincoln Town Car.